Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Prishita Pathak, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you the process of how to make rice water, because rice water really helped with my hair growth, and also rice water helps in the thickness of your hair. I kept it in a bottle like this. You can keep it for 3-4 days after making it so that it is more fermented. So you can make it a fermented rice water. More than just the fresh rice water, fermented rice water has so many more benefits. So if you want to know the process of how to make rice water, then please keep watching. So the process of making rice water is, first you have to take some rice in a bowl and then filter it with water, and I filter it twice. And then I'm gonna take the rice that I just filtered and I'm gonna pour water into it. Then I'm gonna put that on gas and I'm gonna stir it, and I'm just gonna keep on stirring it for a couple of minutes. And now you can see our rice is starting to boil. So this is how the rice looks now. And after it is done, the water is gonna look like this, white. Then I'm gonna filter the rice from the water. So this is the process of how to make rice water. The way I apply rice water is, when I shampoo for the first day, I don't apply rice water at that time. I mean, it is said although that you should apply rice water after washing your hair, but I don't apply it after washing it. I feel like it makes your hair not look really fresh as if you have just shampooed. So I apply the rice water the next day after shampooing, second day, because my hairs are still fresh. They are not really greasy. They don't get greasy next day or after that. I rinse it after 15 to 30 minutes after. I rinse the rice water that I applied in my hair. Rinse it with water and that's it. I mean, you can do it even after washing your hairs if you prefer it like that. But I generally do this way and it also works for me. So guys, I hope you learned how to make rice water. So if you also get any benefits from applying rice water, then don't forget to share in the comments below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.